What's going on? Steven and Alex at Crux. We're going to go through a quick exercise we call adductor slides. Really fantastic for building up some strong hips. So this exercise, you can do it at home on a hardwood. Alex is using a furniture slider here, so if you have one, go ahead. But if you don't have one, just a sock or a towel on a hardwood works really well. So a couple quick rules on the adductor slide. I'm going to ask Alex to keep his chest nice and tall, not to go into a slumpy posture. And I'm also going to ask him to send his hips back during this exercise. Instead of just sending that knee forward, his hips should be moving backwards. Which brings me to the next point. This knee that's not moving should remain in line with his third to fourth toe on that side. Don't let that knee drop in as you're doing this exercise. So as your leg goes out, don't let that knee drop in. Let's see it, Alex. Alex goes through the adductor slide. He reaches out with his foot and then comes right back in. As he reaches out with that foot, it remains facing straight ahead. Good. Now notice this knee. Hold pause there. Notice this knee. It is directly in line with the foot there as that foot faces. The foot doesn't have to be exactly straight ahead. It can be turned out just a tiny little bit, but it shouldn't be way out there, right? So Alex keeps that knee right in line. Now go ahead and keep on going there, Alex. If you need a little challenge, a dumbbell or a kettlebell will be a nice added challenge, a little bonus there. Now, the thing that's a little bit deceiving for this is the side that we're working on and how to make this a little bit harder. This works on the muscle on the inside of your thigh. So if Alex wants to make this a little bit harder, all he has to do is simply press a little bit more hard, a little bit more, well, that doesn't make sense, but he's going to push with a little more force on his right foot. So go ahead and push a little bit more force into that right foot as you slide both down and up. Good. You can, it's easier if you just hover that leg, but to get a little bit harder, you press just a little bit more with that foot that's sliding. So perfect. Do both sides. Don't just do one side. And enjoy the adductor slides.